Okay, so in this video, I wanted to talk a little bit about two things, just two things that I sell at craft shows to make money. I make more things, but I wanted to talk specifically about two things. So the first thing is a bowl. This is a wood bowl, and if you don't know, I'm a wood turner. So here's another style of wood bowl. Let me set that aside. But what I do is I take a wood blank that looks like this, put it on a lathe, spin it up real fast, cut it out, and then make a wood bowl out of it. And that's the first thing that I sell. You can make these all different shapes and sizes. You can go really small like a cup. You can go really big like a platter. But this is kind of like my flagship at my booth. This is what I sell the most of, and I do pretty well. I start off at 20 bucks for a smaller cup, and I go all the way up to 120 for a fancier bowl. Now you can go fancier than what I do. You can make them resin hybrids where they have resin in them. You can do, or just resin itself without the wood. You can do segmented, which is like little blocks of wood that are glued together. You can make segmented bowls. Those things sell for hundreds, if not thousands of dollars. I've seen them sell for a couple grand. You can go really intricate with the segmented bowls, but they take a lot of time to make. These are pretty simple. They're just basic. They take a couple of hours to make, and it's pretty fun, and I can sell these every day at my craft show. So the second thing that I make, everybody does it, charcuterie boards. I know it sounds simple and everybody does it and it's been overdone and it's overkill, but my charcuterie boards, I sell them at a lower price point because I keep them simple, basically a live edge. I don't go intricate with the handles or anything like that, but you can go really big with the handles, live edges. You can have your resin river going down the middle of it. But I usually just keep black walnut and I put some feet on the bottom, and this is my cheese board, and that is it. So those are two things that I sell at craft shows. I hope you like them and get some ideas. As a wood turner, it is pretty expensive to get into, but charcuterie boards are really simple. You just need basic tools to do those things. A lot of sanding, but that is it. I hope you enjoyed the two items that I make: bowls, charcuterie boards. Charcuterie boards. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.